Hi everybody, today I am going to discuss about RMI, which means remote method invocation, and we can simply know RMI as an API that provides mechanism to create a distributed application in Java. RMI allows an object to invoke method in an object running in another JVM. RMI is used to communicate between the applicating using two objects, that is stub and skeleton. Stub is an object used in client machine and skeleton is an object used in server machine. So we can simply see here the primary goal of RMI designer is to allow programmer to develop distributed Java program with the same syntax and semantics used for non-distributed programs. So the definition is that, and then we can see the architecture of RMI. And generally RMI consists of three layers. One is stub skeleton layer, second one is the remote reference layer, and third one is transport layer. So here you can see the architecture. And we can discuss about stub skeleton layer and remote reference layer and transfer layer. These all layers have different work. The stub skeleton layer is the interface between the application layer and the rest of RMI system. This layer does not deal with specific of any transport but transmit data to remote reference layer by using marshalling. It also takes data from remote reference layer by using on-marshalling and demarshalling. And second one is remote reference layer. The remote reference layer defines and supports the invocation semantics of RMI connection. This layer maintains the session during the method call. This layer provides remote reference object that represent the link to the remote service implementation object. The stub object is generally used the invoke method in remote reference to forward the method call. The method reference object understands the invocation semantics for remote services. And last one is transport layer. The transport layer makes the connection between JVMs. All the connections stream-based network connection that use TCP/IP. Even if two JVM are running on the same physical computer, they connect through their host computer TCP/IP network protocol stack. This is why you must have operational TCP/IP configuration on your computer to run a RMI programs. And you can see the role of network layer in RMI. So that's all.